about last week, and they are refusing to take responsibility. I'm thinking about taking legal action.
Before you initiate anything, have you tried to talk to them directly? A dispute like this can be often be settled without going to the court.
Let yours document everything first, then photo of the damage and have an estimate for repairs your need. Solid perfect then the notes are lamps.
I went with ball points to process requires paper documentations and courts prefer if you updated third resolver teams amicably first.
I tried talking to them twice, but they claimed it was an act of God because it was needed. The damages are over 3,000.
Well, if negotiation fails, you can file a small claims lawsuit. It's less expensive and doesn't usually require a lawyer.
Just remember you need to promises they near the trust was unstable and negative. The rest is a take winning the dress.
Through I you lost it, you always have the right to appeal. Those dates can be costly and time consuming.
Thanks everyone. I think we'll send them one final letter outlining my concerns before I initiate an illegal proceedings.
Smart move, sometimes just showing you are serious about legal action is enough to make them settle.
Take up your committee records to the calls the reason for of negatives to approach your case.
I you decide the course see in recommend get a professional advice